So this is the curious case of the spinning light kit. I've never had that happen before, but anyway, I acquired these fans for free on Craigslist. Yesterday I was planning to bring my mother around to the town of Danvers, Mass. She's writing a history of a lot of the historical locations in Essex County and taking some pictures. And so sure enough, I clicked on the Craigslist and I saw these were in Danvers. And not only were they in Danvers, but they were in a historic home. I'm obviously not going to disclose what the name of the home was or what the address was, because that wouldn't be fair to the very nice gentleman that gave me the fans. But anyway, I had a plaque out in front of the house, and said to my mother, because I told her I'd drive her around so she could see all these historic places and take pictures and stuff. And I just happened to be in that town, and it just really strange coincidence. But anyway, this I believe this fan is an air cool, judging by the motor. It has the vented spinner motor, so I could be wrong, but these are very popular fans back in the through the 80s up to the mid 90s, and the tulip lights, and they're actually they have cane blades on the other side. I'll pull the phone up so you can take a look. And these are very common, and the folks just wanted to upgrade their fans, and so these were free for the taking. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.